Hi, lovely people. I'm the Lazy Nigeria Mom, and today we'll be sharing how to make Aniga agworo. So stay tuned. So you're going to need some peppers to your taste, ogiri. Please make sure that when you're buying ogiri, you're buying ogiri egusi. Ask them for ogiri egusi. Ogiri won't give you the authentic taste. Some salt, palm oil, and of course your aniga. Ha! This aniga was made a day before today, and it can last you actually for like 2 to 3 days before they start deteriorating. So you wrap them, and then we get to start chopping them up. So if you want to know how I make my own aniga, you can just check for the link in the description box. I'll paste it in the comment section, or it might even appear somewhere on the screen, in the corner of the screen. So you cut them up. This looks so lovely. Now, if your aniga is sticking together, just rub some oil on it like this, and then start cutting. If it gets sticky again, reapply the oil and keep cutting. So we cut it up like this for aniga agworo. We don't cut it the other way we do for the other type of way of serving it, which is the previous video in my aniga, how to serve aniga video part 1. You'll be sure to find the link to that video in my description box or in the comments. So you're going to cut it up like this in triangles sort of, or diagonal shape. I was raised to cut it that way. There's no really any particular reason for cutting it that way. You can make yours in cubes. So if you're using your hand, use a paring knife to chop it up like this. So have you subscribed to my channel? Oh my god, if you haven't, please show some love, support my channel by subscribing and give me a thumbs up. Also curious to know what you call this in your dialect or your locality. So what do you call this food? Do you know what they call it in your place? Do you have something similar to this? Let me know. I'll be sure to see them in the comment section. So you can cut it up like this, or you can cut it using your board if you're not comfortable using your hands to cut them up. Now you're going to need a bigger knife actually. Remember, if your knife sticks to the aniga, just apply some oil. It could be red oil, vegetable oil, any which one works fine. I prefer the vegetable oil because it doesn't look too messy, but red oil is still going to be added to it, so it's still part of so it can look a little bit messy. So cut them up like so. You can cut them in cubes or any which way you like them. I remember when we were growing up as kids, oh my god, my mom used to make aniga that would fill up a big pot. Then over the days we'll eat it in the ways we like, maybe cut up like yam, like in the aniga 7 part 1 video, and on occasions that we want to make it look so like elaborate, we make it this way. So now you can see there are no differences between the two ways of cutting it. Now you put your pot on fire. Ideally you should use hot water, but I like heating up my water, but I don't like cold food, so I add ogiri. I'm using my little pestle to mash it up because my ogiri is an old ogiri, not a new one, so it's kind of hard. Add your oil, maybe 3 tablespoons of oil. You can add a little bit more if you want. I like it kind of oily. Now add your chopped pepper or ground pepper and stir to combine well. Now you turn off your heat. Quickly add the aniga chopped pieces. Stir. You have to be fast because it's going. The more it's standing out here, it's getting colder. Of course, you can always take it back to low heat so it doesn't get cold. I do not like cold food. Add some salt to taste and continue stirring until it's well thickened. You know, it looks like the liquid in it is too much, but I tell you it's not. Especially if you're not eating it right away, it's going to suck up the liquid in it and be a little bit dry. Now our food is ready. You can dish them up any way you want. So you can check out how to make aniga in my links. So here is your aniga, well served. Let's give it a quick taste. Oh my god, I'm dancing. I wish you guys can see me. I'm practically dancing here. You don't know what aniga is to my family or to me myself. So let's test it already. And it's so yummy. Oh god. Please subscribe if you enjoyed watching. Check out my playlist and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.